Hi everybody and welcome. Today we had the software called FourSixty and this is the best Instagram shoppable UGC content software. So before we begin, there's a link in the description that you can access to get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses onto the platform. Now jumping straight on, you will be able to realize, since this is a user generated content software, you will get a lot of ideas for different type of businesses and stuff that you can sell online. So basically you may have come across some of those posts on Instagram where you see this type of products that are attached onto the images uploaded, and you can see a complete business is linked to that. So this is because they have created this user generated stores to start selling their basically products, and you can do that using FourSixty as well. So if you sign into their account, you will be able to realize you have your different type of stuff, like for example on-site, shoppable, Insta and UGC galleries, user generated, and this is the exact thing that I'm discussing about. You can showcase most valuable brand assets, and in fact you can create different type of collages and image galleries to make your products viral and sell them. So if you are looking for some amazing leads for your businesses, this is the platform for you that you can try out. You can add your tags, mentions using the platform, and you even have different type of partners program offered as well. Now talking about its pricings, if we start with $90, you will be getting shoppable Instagram galleries, product page, moderate content, gallery, performance metrics, and email support. And if you hop on to 300 or 501, you're going to getting something deluxe, like for example we have auto publish to Instagram 150, and you have track ambassadors and campaigns. And in the 500 for the complete plus, you have tracking up to 500 ambassadors and Google Drive integration and much more. So you can give it a try using the link. But before that, let me show you some of its amazing reviews that it has. So you can see the app is amazing for being able to view all UGC content and publishing to website, helping us connect social to our products. So you can give it a try to FourSixty using the link in the description below, and you will be getting extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses. So that is something that you should try out. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.